Well, guys, we are almost there. It is Friday. The week is almost over. I'm talking like I work 5 days out of the week, but I really work four, but it really feels like it's been 5 weeks. So, first off, I wanted to start off by just saying thanks, guys, for checking in on me, and also little Xavier. Xavier is doing a little better. But just to be sure, of course, we're going to keep him at home this weekend. I wanted to take him to a pumpkin patch. Yeah, that's him coughing. But he's definitely going to have to partake in it probably, I say probably next weekend, which is totally fine. But on the bright side, at least he's getting better, and that he's not going to be sick for Halloween, because I wanted to take him out this year. I didn't have a chance to do it last year because he was still a little young, but this time he's going out. So I am actually on a break. So while I'm breaking, I figured I'll just come in and talk to you guys, get some of my inventory together, and yeah, okay. So yep, I have my cute little makeup brush that I've gotten for free. I did go ahead and get some more hand creams, because while I was in Louisiana, I actually gave some of it away. So I have the raw cherry and the shea and almond. So these are my hand creams. I'm sure I have more in the box, but I have a whole bunch of stuff in here. Okay, so I did get the Age Reverse night cream, which I'm excited to try. Yeah, guys, I did not know I gotten all this stuff. Hold on. Okay, so this is the Tinted Lip Plumper in the shade 3 Lover. Put this over here. Matter of fact, I'm gonna put my inventory here, and over here put my personal stuff. Okay, so let's see. I know I ordered some soaps. So I got the Canon and the Calendula soap. I actually gave those away in Louisiana, so now I'm putting it back in my stock. Sunscreen for the face, 50 plus. That is going in the inventory. Let's see, these are just lip colors, guys, which I'm trying not to lose sight of those. Oh, I knew I was missing a soap. So yep, tea tree soap. This is new for me. I've gotten all the other ones except for the tea tree soap, so I'm pretty excited about that. What's this? Ooh. Oh, this is the liquid blush. Oh my goodness, I wanted to always try this. So got it. Look, got it now. Okay, and the loose powder. Definitely need that. Let's see what else we got. So I want to say, let me see. So this is actually the fall color lipsticks that I have. I want to say, I'm trying to make sure because there's so many of them. Because I didn't think I ordered that many. But I think it is all of these, though. I think so. Yep. Autumn Vibes. Yeah. So these are all my lip colors. So these, I'm going to just put these in between, because some of them is going in my inventory, some is not. All right. And I got the shampoo and body wash for the men's. And I got the green and berry gummies. I want to try those out. Let's see. Oh, good. So I also have another hand cream, which I did give this out to my mom's nurse just as a thank you. And let's see. Ooh, this is cute. Okay. So I got the Raina Midnight, the perfume. For some reason, I have been into perfumes lately. So yeah, excited about this one. This is probably going to be the one I'll just wear like whenever I go out. and this cute set. So I got the Herma gift set. I love the bag. The bag is super cute. And I think, oh, that is it, guys. Got everything. But let's see. I'm actually trying to figure out, should I do this here or should I do it on a separate video? No, let's do it here. So this is one of the gift sets. I started to just get just the perfume by itself, but then I'm like, okay, for a couple of bucks more, I can get the body wash, the lotion, plus a cute little bag. So I went with that, of course. So I'm about to show you guys. Look at that. Ooh, it's so pretty. I love the bag. So the bag is definitely going in my purse. And let me see. Ooh, they got it wrapped up so cute. Look, hold on. Let me show y'all. Oh, it's cute. I like it. I like the way they got it wrapped. Because sometimes they'll have stuff just all over the place. Okay, so this is the, is it the Hera? I think it's the Hera. I think. So this is the bottle. It is so cute. And it comes with the body wash and body lotion. I'm sorry, I can't help it. I am going to give it a quick old sniff. Ooh, this smells good. Baby, and let me tell y'all something. This smell right here, this is more so a good, like, night on the town type of smell. To where if you were to wear this and somebody will walk by you, they'd be like, girl, you smell rich. This is this right here. I don't know about the Raina. I know I heard some good things about the Raina, but I don't know. So far, most of the fragrances I've gotten from Farmasi smell really, really good. But this one here, I thought that her Passion smelled really, really good, but I don't know. This smells good. But I will try the Raina probably tomorrow. I ain't gonna try it today because I'm, yeah. I'm gonna give, I don't know why I did that, y'all. I'm goofy. I'm goofy by nature. I am a very serious person, but I'm also goofy. So I know some people like, let that part of you shine because that, yeah, you kind of funny. But anywho, that is it, guys. I am going to save my stash. But yeah, so this weekend, me, Xavier, and also my sister Jazz, we probably just gonna be hanging out home. My husband, he actually works during the weekends. So yeah, it's just gonna be us. So looks like we're just going to be hanging out at home. Now I do have some projects I can work on. Will it get done? I have no idea. We might actually try to clean up my back porch because my back porch is actually a hot mess. So I may do that while Xavier's sleeping because I'm kind of like looking back just to make sure he's okay. But guys, that is it. I'm going to save all my goodies. Thank you guys for watching. And also too, guys, thank you for your love and support, as well as all my new followers that have been coming through. Thank you guys so much, and I will talk to you next time. Bye.